on the run, moonlight flights, chasing that sun. No sleep, but he's still that one. Whole vibe in the air when he comes. Him low, city to city float. From the plane to the lens to your soul. Trip cold, but his presence real warm.
Tatalon ka ba?
Play his vlog, now you're feeling at home.
Ooh, we're here at our hotel, guys. Thank you.
Și după aia punem acoperișul. Dormitorul nostru cu aer condiționat, nu știu ce, înțelegi? Dar e liquor.
Go, go, go.
Hi! Hey, Chenji!
We're back.
We're so back! Bagay kayo! May pass ba kayo? Parang bagay kayong dalawa. Trish, tingin ka naman! Parang bagay kayo. Ooh, what's that?
Sea urchin. Natin. First time. Actually, fantasy ko ito. I'm not sure how it tastes.
How was it? Let's see. How was it?
Creamy.
Totoo.
Oo. Creamy siya na very lasang-lasa mo yung dagat.
We're gonna try sea urchin.
Flat boy, yeah, he do the most. One day so next French toast in Paris. Capping cute in a coat. Camera flash when he strike that pose. Closet crazy, yeah, drip like whoa. Spanish latte got him hooked. Walk through the door, catch that vibe, better watch that glow.
Say hi.
No sleep, but he's still so fresh. Got the jet lag, but he never
Sige na! Okay na yan. Sabay-sabay ha. Sabay-sabay ha.
big move.
Cheers! Go, shot! 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 Now na! Go! Hindi, ininom yan. Eeeeee! Lulululu!
Taga-weekend difference yan. Isang weekend difference
Walang
ya.
magre-relapse, walang magre-relapse, huwag nanginginig.
Eh,
Okay, happy
Tuloy,
GB lang tayo. Cheers!
Hi! Oh, cheers! Wala naman. Hoy, si Alan walang laman. Walang laman si Alan. Walang laman si Alan. Pakyo. Wala yung laman. Walang laman. Ulul, ulul. Ulul. Ulul, ulul, ulul. Laki lang yan! Cheers tayong dalawa. Cheers!
Run ready from head to toe. Vibes popping in the coffee flow. When the beat drop, you already know.
Oo nga, sabi ni Alan, hindi daw siya stressed.
Morning jog. Good morning, Sikihor. Five kilometer.
Si G, asayo yung...
Kailan ako ano?
Good morning.
Kailan ako?
Yung sabaw.
Baka meron.
Ano sa'yo?
Manoys.
Brent, take hati tayo. Hati yung sausage natin.
May contact ka na? Yes. Turn na lang ako.
Kukulot ka pa.
Nagdala ako sa tote bag ko ng extra clothes pa.
Kasi buhok ko na.
Okay lang, tanggap naman ni
Ano, after ng... Saan tayo ulit?
Di ba okay lang ang favorite?
Dati, area mo.
Hindi, saan niya? Yung ano,
Balete 3.
tapos
Falls na.
lahat ng falls.
Doon mo magkakadikit. Tatlong falls yun eh.
I thought mag-church.
Ay, church. Balete, church.
Church.
Tas falls.
Gagahin! Dikit kami nun eh. Dikit kami nun eh.
Ano, nag-ano na.
Tumbado. Content.
Oh, then, Chris.
Trish, go!
Ano yan? Rides. Yan ang ano ng rides.
Hay, nako, sino may kasalanan? Ba't dito tayo dinaan? Akala ko ba healing to? Bakit parang lalo ko nadidisgrasya sa mga eksena? Ano pong nangyari?
Di, bigla siyang gumanon, nagulat din ako eh. Tatalon sana eh, pag ganun din kami. Kaya,
Tapos gumanon?
Oo,
Gumanyan.
wala na, gano'n ko eh. Hirap din. Ayun yung tumulong.
Tumulong oh. Ano ba nangyari, ma'am? Ma'am, ano ba nangyari, ma'am? Kayo po ba yung witness?
Yung truck binangga ng tao.
Are you okay? Sure?
Ikaw okay, okay ka lang?
Yeah, I'm good.
Yung motor yung okay pa ba?
Abot ba yung ambulansya?
Hindi na, sir. Anong oras na? Baka tayo na lang yung pumunta sa ambulansya.
May tayo likod mo, Trish. May tayo ng kalabaw.
Let's go, let's go, let's go! Are you sure you're okay? It's part of the story, it's fine.
Wait lang.
Silipin lang nila.
Hindi, check lang daw nila if meron talagang falls, baka inflatable lang daw eh. Guys, grabe na tong fantasy na to ha. Parang I didn't sign up for this.
Ganyan daw pag walang paki sa itinerary. Hindi nagdadawag.
Are you guys enjoying so far the motorcycle? Are you enjoying the adventure?
Yeah.
Mag-drive ka naman. Ikaw naman mag-drive.
Wala akong lisensya eh.
Di ba CPA ka?
Matanggap pa sila, sabihin ko pala, matanggap pa silang PRC license.
But nakailang minutes na tayo mag-drive? Parang nasa 7 hours. Hindi mo naman. Parang mga 20 minutes na. O, wala more than 20 minutes na ba?
Iniwan ba ako ni JV?
Hindi, check lang daw nila. Babalik sila. Kalmat eh. Kaya kitang iangkas. Payag ka? Ito po ang mga customer ng Angkas. Angkas number 1. Magkano po bayad niyo, sir?
1K.
Kayo, sir. Magkano po bayad niyo, sir?
Gagalingan ko na lang tonight.
Hey! Angkas number 3. Ayan. And angkas number 4. Ito, ano? Strong independent woman. Paano yung strong independent woman?
Yung ups and downs. Oo.
Pasok! Baka ako nag 4x4.
Kaya parang humaba din yung biyahe. Oo, adventure. Dito na tayo. Ano bang pinin mo?
Yun yung nandun sa ano?
Kampugahay?
So, sino talagang susundin? Si Dalin or si Brent?
Si Dalin na lang.
Ay na si JB nagtanong na din.
Hindi, may kikain niya. Balik ko na plato.
Ito niya pala yan.
Diretso ba ba? Tapos may pakanan doon? Kakanan.
Nantaya ka na Chen next week.
Ayoko na mag-ano?
Okay lang.
Kaya mo pa ba, Kenneth?
Ito ang driver ko kung kaya pa.
Tara, una ka, Dal.
Guys, dito
Pwede mo magtanong? Saan yung pa Tambugahay Falls?
Ay, sarado na yun.
Dito wala akong daan dito.
Yung dalawang pools yung binanggit niya, wala dito.
Ang bugahay dito.
Kambugahay, paganto po. Yung pababa po dito.
Kanan.
Kabuksayan.
Paglabas to. Okay. Kanan.
Pakay! Ay ka na! Sa paan? Tama na. Hindi, mababa pa yun eh. Doon ka sa bandang doon.
backflip si Kuya oh.
Trish, ano?
One, two, three.
Go, pose.
Jollibee.
Video yung kay Dalin.
Kuya?
Hi! Hi, Trish.
Oh, nag-kwenta na talaga.
Asan sila Alan?
Nandun na. Video to. Hello, doggo!
Milo. Mulubog. Tutukan mo to, Milo.
Milo! Hello!
Ubus ang pagdating ito.
Drugin ko kaya sa ano.
Chapchoy. Dito na lang yan.
Eh, as a motor girl. How's the food? How's the food? Sucks lang.
4.
4 out of
25.
Aya. Aya. Shit.
Tatawagin mo kami, tatalikod mo.
Ah, sige. Hi guys. Kanto boys.
Uy, gago.
See me. Later. Kanina mo babayad?
Gapang ulit.
May mataas din yung ano, swing.
Ang unti lang.
Talon ulit tayo ah. Tatalon ka ba?
Ano yun?
Talon tayo.
Yun na dun.
Ikaw, ayaw mo tumalon? Kenneth?
Ha?
Ayaw mo tumalon? Bakit?
Baka makita ko si Lord.
Dals, talon tayo. Saan tayo tatalon? There oh. Dito.
Gago.
You really want to do everything here in Siquijor as much as I can. Kaya pati yung ferry walk na trending talagang ginawa ko. So I think I did it.
Pray.
Ba't kaya nanalo yun?
Siya ang nanalo, no?
Gaga, malaki kasi ano niya.
Pangit ng ugali sa loob.
Malaki yung management na bumoboto sa kanya.
Kaya parang medyo ano siya.
Tapos yung mga friend niya nga sa TikTok, mga problematic.
Correct.
Mga ano.
So, we just finished our breakfast. For today, wala muna tayong jogging kasi have early call time. We're gonna go free diving. So, mag-free dive kami. Meron siyang kasamang class. Meron pa siyang class. And then after that, dun kami mag-free dive. And medyo malayo daw dito sa hotel yung pagpupuntahan naming free dive. And magbomotor ulit tayo. So, come with us for our activity for today. Let's go! Good morning, Be! Good morning ka muna!
Okay yung ano, ulan.
Very relaxed. Okay? Most importantly, listen to your body all the time. Kayo yung unang makakaalam kung hindi kayo okay. Okay?
Gonna go free driving. Free diving. Yay!
Don't drive when you...
Ha?
Don't drive when you're drunk.
Ngayon, don't dive when you're drunk.
Moving through time zones, barely getting rest. Passport full, but he's still looking fresh. Bangkok nights, soul in the text. Spanish latte, no cream, no stress. Closet talking, yeah, his fists say a lot. Low key flexing when he pull up to the spot. Or loud, but his words come soft. Camera flash and his car on the dot. He don't say much, but the energy hit. Moves like a wave, smooth with the drip. A little mischief in the way that he sit. If you know, then you know that's it. Kim Low, always on the run. Moonlight flights, chasing that sun. No sleep, but he's still that one. Whole vibe in the air when he come. Kim Low, city to city float. From the plane to the lens to your soul. Drip cold, but his presence real warm. Play his vlog, now you feeling at home.
So, we just finished our free diving class here in Siquijor. I must say, mahirap siya. Di siya madali gawin. I thought it's gonna be easy to swim underwater. I think I can swim underwater but not under pressure. Naka-pressure mag free diving. Parang you have to undergo more than one class para magawa mo siya. But at least we got a clip of me doing free diving. Just got back on our hotel. Wasn't able to film mga clips na kasi I was driving motorcycle. Di ako masyado professional sa motor, kaya di ako confident mag-take ng videos. But yeah, we're just gonna take a bath, change clothes, and we're going cafe hopping. Let's go, guys. So we're going on a cafe hopping. So lahat kami nagmotor. And nakapag-switch ako ng motor kay Trisha and I'm using Fasio. Kanina naka-ibang motorcycle ako. But right now I'm using Fasio para meron akong lagayan ng phone. Kasi yung Fasio walang lagay. I mean yung other motorcycle that I'm using walang lagayan ng phone. Kaya nagpalit kami. Ano ka?
Kaya nga di ako nagko-coffee eh.
Trish, show the bottles. Saan yung akin?
Sunset, no? Free, alam mo na yung gusto ko. Golden hours of ours.
Good morning, guys. It's our third day here in Siquijor. It's our fourth day if kasama yung Dumaguete. Pero third day pa lang namin sa Siquijor. And magpapa-laundry tayo ng mga sinuot nating damit para onti lang yung iuwi nating labahan sa Manila. I'm with Brent. Papalaundry kami sa malapit dito sa hotel namin. Mostly yung mga pinang workout tsaka pinang swim, yung mga nabasa, para hindi siya mabaho sa loob ng maleta. So yan. Ito lang ba? Puta, akala ko malayo. Akala ko malayo, nag-outfit pa ako. Akala ko malayo yung pupuntahan naming laundry shop. Tatawid lang pala talaga. Anyways, we're here. So, also, last night, di ako nakasama sa kanila mag-party kasi medyo nahilo na ako after our tequila nights at the beach. So, di ako nakasama. Maaga lang ako nakatulog. Where's Alan? Let's eat. Last breakfast in Sikihor. I know may breakfast pa pala bukas.
Kenneth, tabi muna.
Over Kenneth.
Huwag kayong mag-contact.
Huwag ka mag-picture dyan.
Ano to? Highway to Gabi.
Oo, tsaka pag... Oh, yan, gilid kayo.
Ay, purpo. Purpo yung... Ito ata pinakamasarap na kape dito.
Ito?
Ako may mali.
Hindi ko nasa subi na yun.
Hindi kasi nauunin na yun. Ngayon pa sa kabagalan. Video to.
Buti nagising ka pa ng maaga.
Aga ko nagigising talaga, babe.
Kahit wala kang tulog.
Kahit di ako matulog. Wala na, ano na siya. Patterned na.
Body clock mo na talaga.
Oo. Kahit lasing, pagod, broken.
Ito pa special monsoon yung broken. Ano mga anghang ba?
Kung hindi na ketchup, di ako sanay. Ayaw mo, akin na lang. Akin the other day, walang ganyan yung corned beef.
Yung nga, sabi ko nga sa'yo mag-green onion na yun.
Finally checking out. I can't help but reflect on everything I've experienced. They say Siquijor is the healing island, and I came here looking for that very healing. And you know what? I can honestly say I've found it. Maybe not in the island itself, but in the freedom it gave me. The breathtaking beaches, the serene places, and the warmth of the people. All of it contributed to this sense of peace I didn't know I needed. But I've learned that true healing doesn't just come from a place. It comes from the choice to embrace life without the weight of expectations or pressure. It's about letting go and finding joy in the simple moments. Siquijor has given me the space to rediscover myself, and for that, I've always be grateful. I'll definitely be back to this magical island of wonders. But more importantly, I'll carry this lesson with me. Healing starts within, and it's up to us to let ourselves embrace it.